Welcome to Singapore, and you're watching the Fantastic Four.
This is our apartment in Singapore, and I am in the kitchen. It has been a glorious stay here. We have had a great time of just recuperating in this space. And we start in the kitchen because it's been so nice to have a full kitchen again. We have a sort of a stove here and a microwave, and we've had all kinds of like actual dishes to use, and so we've cooked and we've enjoyed meals actually here. We have a full refrigerator, as you can see, and a sink, and really it's been just great again to just make meals at our apartment. So as you can see, this is a really nice big space. We have an amazing view out here of the city. It's so clean and just really pretty actually, and today we have sunshine, which is nice. So as you come out of the kitchen, you come into sort of the dining areas, this nice big table. It's been nice with a bench and a chair, just so spacious. And then you come in here and we have actually a living area. So this has been really nice too, to have a couch, and we actually had TV, and the TV actually had English stations that we could listen to and watch. So it's just been really fun to just kind of chill out, especially when we were all recuperating from sickness. So then you come from the living space into the bedroom. So there's one bedroom here that the girls shared with another amazing view out back here. You can see the amazing view. And then over here there's been closet space. We actually unpacked and did all of our laundry here because we didn't really have any laundry service in Cambodia. So we completed all of our laundry, and I'll show you that here in just a minute.
Yes.
So if you come down the hallway here, here's the other bathroom. Bedroom. Here's the other bedroom. And I'll take you in here. We had two bathrooms actually. And so it's just a basic sort of Western style bathroom. We have a Western style toilet with a shower. Again, no bathtub, because that seemed to be just a Japan thing. But yeah, it's been really comfortable, super squeaky clean, just a great space to be in. So I'm going to take you over here where we have the second bathroom. It's been a long time since we've had two bathrooms. So the nice thing about this bathroom was that it had a washing machine. We have a shower back here. And then, shocker of all shockers, we actually had this little room in here. And we had a dryer, which was amazing. So I actually don't mind so much hanging our clothes to dry, but this was great since we had literally all of our clothes to wash. It was nice to speed things up with a dryer. So anyway, that's been our space here in Singapore. And it's been sort of a whirlwind of a trip, but we've really enjoyed this space, and we hope you enjoyed our tour of our apartment in Singapore.
So that was our brief stay here in Singapore. We have lots more videos. We're not even halfway through our journey yet, so if you'd like to join us, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, and as always, if you'd like to give us a thumbs up, we appreciate that as well. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time on the Fantastic Four.